Oh, kwa bwawa lendo mimi.
Who are they?
Si vamke Dalis.
Baba, they are inside?
Yes, sir.
What time did they come?
Babwa kudala.
And you allow them to go in? Eh? Don't these people, there's nothing that I can do about it. It's not my child.
We are having a meeting with stakeholders. We are here at Comfort Lodge in Chipata. This is where the meeting will be held.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Good morning, everyone. Let me make an appeal that since we are wearing face masks, we must speak a bit louder because the mask is holding our voices and it's also holding our smiles. Even when we smile, we cannot see that someone is smiling. Yeah, but I want to ask you that please let's speak up because of the face mask that we are wearing. My name is John Chiti. I'm the Executive Director for the Albinism Foundation of Zambia. I've come all the way from Lusaka. I'll call my other team to come and introduce themselves.
Come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Also observed that in this particular period of time, persons with disabilities are not considered in line with the COVID-19. When they are putting measures, the purpose of persons with disabilities is ignored. Our organization advocates for albinism, and the reason why we invited you is because we want to engage you in albinism issues.
Dang, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays.
How many children did Oscar have? So Oscar is the man there. The man in the film. How many children does he have? Two. Two children. Are you sure it's two?
Yes.
But how many children is he counting?
One.
He's counting one. So he has two children and he's counting one. Why is he not counting one? Or why is he counting one and not the other child? Why? What is the reason there? According to what you saw. So the other child has got albinism. Then the other child doesn't have albinism. So Oscar is counting the one that does not have albinism. This is my child, not that albino boy.
They lack a lot of sensitization. The blame usually comes, or society pressure usually comes on women, which is not so good. Sometimes they do not have a stand or a feel to talk about certain things.
What is the role of victim support and how should the community handle this situation?
First of all, they are supposed to report at the victim support unit where we are working hand in hand with the child protection because we are housed in one office. Then when the case is reported, of course...
So who should report who here, like in this case?
So in that case, the mother is the victim. Though the child is the victim, but we know even the person who's caring for that child equally is a victim. So it is the mother to the child who's supposed to come and complain. So usually we refer to the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Children, where there is Article 2, it talks about discrimination. A child should not be discriminated upon based on color, race, all those laws. Yes. Then the other thing is maybe Article 3, which also talks about the best interest of the child. So parental right is denying that is not the father to that child. But for the time being, we are supposed to look at the best interest of the child. Whilst we look at other ways that can help us to confirm that he really is the father to the child. That is to go for DNA test. But before we wait for DNA test, he's supposed to be providing the basic needs to the child. That will be in the best interest of the child, so that the child continues to survive, the child maybe starts even in school. And like to just abandon the child and the entire family on account that you are not the father to the child.
What about issues of marriage? Are you able to tell Oscar to say, divorce this woman, come back to your first wife? In issues of marriage, when Oscar says, no, I don't want this woman, this is my wife now, I'm done with this woman. Does victim support come in there?
Okay, on the marriage issue, we counsel the two parties that are involved. And in counseling, we don't force. But we are just giving them information. We are shedding more light so that they see the problems around them. Then it will be up to the two of them to make a decision. So if the reconciliation fails, then you will refer them to court. She's supposed to be legally divorced and not just to be abandoned like that.
You in a better place,
How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you're gonna be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
We had a stakeholders meeting. So we had the people coming from victim support. We had people from Cheshire Homes, from and other organizations, from Zapid. The short film which was showed, it was about rejection, and the outcome after the film was very positive and very educative. So all what I can say is that the meeting which we had early in the morning was very fruitful. We had a good number of people.